Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11 through the Cumberland Valley in Antrim Township, Franklin County, Pennsylvania. We begin at mile 8, and we have a 3-lane highway that alternates between a 2+1 dedicated left and shared center turning lane. We enter Guilford Township with a population of 14,627 as of the 2020 census. The township was incorporated in 1751 and has an area of just over 51 square miles. The bridge between Guilford and Hamilton Townships, Brotherton Farm, and Gas House are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. We're now in Marion, which is an unincorporated area and census-designated place. It's named after Brigadier General Francis Marion, who was a notable Army officer during the American Revolutionary War. He was famously known as the Swamp Fox due to his cunning strategies and expertise in navigating challenging landscapes. As we drive through Marion, notice the connecting road to the right that carries State Route 914 is named Swamp Fox Road. The community was laid out around 1810 and has had a post office in operation since 1833. We enter the borough of Chambersburg, the county seat of Franklin County, with a population of 21,903 as of the 2020 census. The area was originally settled by Benjamin Chambers, a Scots-Irish immigrant. The settlement was originally called Falling Spring for a 26-foot waterfall on Falling Springs Creek, which provided power for a mill. The surrounding area is primarily characterized by a thriving farming community, including numerous Amish and Mennonite families. Franklin County boasts a significant agricultural landscape, with corn being the main crop, covering 29,916 acres across 579 farms. Additionally, there are 344 wheat farms and 299 barley farms, spanning 14,063 acres. Chambersburg itself is a hub for various manufacturing activities, such as machinery production, metal fabrication, and food processing, as indicated by the 1997 Economic Census of Franklin County. Major manufacturing companies in the area include TB Woods Incorporated and Manitowoc Cranes. The economy is further supported by sectors like retail trade and healthcare and social assistance. Despite the growth of suburban areas, agriculture remains a vital component of the local economy. In recent years, Chambersburg's retail sector has seen significant expansion, particularly with the establishment of retail stores near the newly constructed Exit 17 off of Interstate 81. This growth has also attracted a variety of new restaurants in the region, enhancing the culinary landscape. This part of US 11 through Chambersburg is called Main Street. Here, US 11 North turns right onto Garfield Street as the highway becomes a couplet through downtown Chambersburg. The couplet is separated by 2 blocks with Central Avenue in between. We'll be turning left onto South 2nd Street to continue through town. Here, as we continue up the stepladder of major U.S. highways and interstates, we cross U.S. Highway 30, the Lincoln Highway. US 30 passes through Chambersburg as a couplet with the eastbound lanes on Queen Street, and ahead we'll see the westbound lanes cross on the appropriately named Lincoln Way. Here we bear right onto Philadelphia Avenue as the two halves of US 11 are reunited. Here, the highway is interrupted by Wilson College, and we have to jog over one block to get around the campus. Wilson College is a private institution with ties to the Presbyterian Church. Established in 1869 by two Presbyterian ministers, it was initially named after Sarah Wilson, a significant donor who contributed $30,000 towards acquiring the land and residence of Alexander McClure, located in nearby St. Thomas Township. For 140 years, Wilson College exclusively served women. In 2013, the college's Board of Trustees made the decision to transition to a co-educational model starting from the 2013-2014 academic year. This change allowed male residential students to enroll beginning in the fall of 2014, marking a significant shift in the college's long-standing tradition of educating women. Here we leave the city limits of Chambersburg and enter Green Township, named for Nathaniel Green, and with a population of 18,436 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video here at mile 19. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.